Strawberries and cream are such a classic combo that everyone loves, so let me show you how to make my version that's sure to be a hit when you make them. The first thing we need to do is make our filling. We start with cream cheese, salt, sugar, and vanilla extract. Just mix this with a spoon until everything's blended together. Essentially, we're making an egg-free cheesecake that's ready in about an hour. Now we cut our puff pastry into whatever shape we want. I'm doing circles, you can do squares or rectangles, and yes, this is frozen dough. Add the filling to our dough. Now we put on our top piece of dough, put the floured side up and down towards the cutting board, and then just go around, press everything tight, make sure that there's no holes in it. This is an extra step that I like to do, is just take a circle cutter upside down and push on it like a ravioli. This is going to make sure that everything is sealed properly. And when it's done, it should look like an Uncrustable. Last thing we need to do before baking them is poke a few holes in the top. This is going to let any steam escape and make sure that they stay level when they're baking. You can brush these with an egg wash if you want to make them nice and mahogany colored when they're done baking, but my kids have egg allergies, so I just leave it out. Now to bake them, we're going to put them in a 375 degree preheated oven for about 18 minutes. You want to bake these until they get nice and golden brown, and this is what you're looking for, a nice light golden brown color. Last thing we need to make is our strawberry preserve. You don't have to make this if you don't want to. If you can find a really good jar of preserve, then use that and it'll save you a lot of time. Add the strawberries to the pan with sugar. Let these simmer for about 15 minutes and you'll know they're ready when they turn into this nice jammy consistency. Then just put this in a cup or a bowl and let it sit on the counter for a few minutes to cool down and it's ready to go. This is the consistency of our preserve after it's sat for about 20 minutes on the counter. Now let's start building our dessert. This is a delicious restaurant quality dessert that you can make at home that everybody's going to love. Thanks for watching on how to make my version of strawberries and cream. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Drop me a comment and let me know if there's any dishes you want to see me make. See you next time.